Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Repository and you are watching Module 7.6, the error log file of PostgreSQL. So the location of the error log file is where log PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Here you can see a couple of log files. One zip file and then there are two log files. So this is the current log file. This is the last log file and these are the old log files, so you can just leave them. So if you want to read the content, these are in plain text, so you can always use cat. Actually, let me hit up arrow and then copy the file name, paste it here and change ls to cat. So this is the data inside the file and it is writing all the error messages for you. So whenever you have any error related to Postgres or related to, the startup or your script errors, everything will be logged here. So as you can see, here I have the error relation actor does not exist at character 36 because I was running this query on a different database where actor table was not present. But let me go ahead and create few errors in this video and try to read this file. Okay. Now, right now I'm using cat, so I'm reading the entire file at once, but sometimes you may not be interested in the entire file, but only in the last few lines. And for this, you can use the command tail. So what tail command does is just remove cat, write tail -n 10. Oops, 1 second. I forgot n there. And now you can read the last 10 lines of that log file. Okay, so most of the times you will be interested in the current log, so tail command is very important to read these log files, otherwise you will see all the entire log file at once and not all the error messages will be useful for you. Okay, if you want to change this number and maybe interested in last 20 lines, then you can always go ahead and change the number and get last 20 lines. But anyway, these are the old errors. I'm gonna create new errors and then we will try to read those errors from this log file again. Okay, so for this I will connect to PostgreSQL instance and you have got your first error which is related to memory. Okay, so let me go ahead and read this file again and let me see if there is any information related to this error in the error log file. And yes, if you'll see the last error message, this is the exactly same error message related to memory segment, and this error message is coming because I have given very few memory to my PostgreSQL instance. So sometimes it gives that memory error because the virtual machine has just 1 GB of memory. But you should ideally not get this error if you have given enough memory for PostgreSQL instance to run. But to resolve this error, let me go ahead and restart PostgreSQL instance first. So restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. It is asking for password. Give the password. And this is done. So now you should be able to connect your PostgreSQL instance. Okay, now I'm connected. So let me go ahead and run few queries which will throw the error and then we'll try to read those errors from the error file. So let me go ahead and run the query. Select star from actor, hit enter, and it says relation actor does not exist. Fine, because this table is not inside Postgres database. Okay, now let me navigate to DVD rental database where the actor file actually residing, and here if I'll run this query, it should be successful, but my motive in this video is to create some errors. So let me actually go ahead and try to fetch only the 5 rows. For this I will type limit 5, but I will do a syntax mistake, and I will not write the complete limit. Hit enter, and then you are getting syntax error at or near 5. Okay, so you have got 2 errors. So let me quit from here and read the error log file again. Last 20 rows should be enough. And here you can see my second error, and similarly you can see the error related to relation actor does not exist. Okay, so you was able to find the errors in your PostgreSQL instance in the error log file as well. Okay, but we have not seen any startup errors. So we have seen memory related error, but sometimes what happen, we restart PostgreSQL instance and it never comes up. So in those cases we can always utilize this log file to read the errors. So let me actually go ahead and do something which will not allow PostgreSQL instance to start. So for this, what I'm gonna do is I will edit the configuration file pg_hba.conf, and here what I'm gonna do is I will uncomment the first line, and because of this your PostgreSQL instance will not be able to load your pg_hba configuration file. Let me go ahead and save this. Now let me stop the PostgreSQL instance. So for this I will type, I can run restart also, it will never come up, but let me go ahead and stop it first and then start it again. Okay, now if I'll type ps space -ef grep PostgreSQL, here you can see PostgreSQL is still not running. Now if I try to connect to PostgreSQL, I will not be able to connect because the instance is not yet up. So let me go ahead and now read my error log file. Okay, so this is my error log file and I am reading last 20 rows. So these will be the most recent 20 rows, and here you can see line 1 of configuration file pg_hba.conf could not load, pg_hba.conf database system is shut down. So it is clearly telling you that what is the problem, where is the problem. Go ahead and fix the problem and then start the PostgreSQL instance again. So for this I will go ahead and edit the HBA configuration file again, fix the problem, save the file. Oops. Let me actually click no, edit the file again. Okay. Now it is saved. Now if I'll try to start the PostgreSQL instance, it will come up. Okay, it is up now. So if I'll run ps space -ef grep PostgreSQL, hit enter, and this time you can see the PostgreSQL instance is running. Okay, so you should be able to connect to PostgreSQL instance also, and you are done. So you have seen that how this error log file can help you in those cases where you are unable to start PostgreSQL instance because of some error, or you have the errors recorded for your PostgreSQL instance as well. And if you have any other errors, that will be also recorded if it is related to PostgreSQL. So you can always go ahead and read this file to find the error message, and then you can fix that fix that error. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this video, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching this.